Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing another breakfast or brunch recipe. I am making quiche. Quiche is a French tart which made out of pastry crust, and then you fill the pastry crust with the savory custard made out of milk and eggs. Then you can add different fixings like vegetables or any different kind of meat, different cheese. And today I'm making mini quiche, but you can of course make a regular size quiche as well. And quiche can be served hot or even cold. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So first we need to prepare a pan. Since I'm making mini quiche, so I'm just spraying some cooking oil onto a muffin tin, but you can use regular 8-inch or 9-inch pie plate and spray it generously. Now in a measuring cup, I am adding half of whipping cream and half of a milk because this recipe calls for half enough and I hadn't had one. Then I'm adding some eggs and seasoning it with some salt and red chili powder. Now I'm adding red chili powder. It won't add any heat to the mixture, but it will give that amazing taste, mixing everything, and I'm using just a measuring cup here. So just put everything on the side. Now we need our pastry crust, a pie crust. I'm using a store-bought pie crust, and since I'm making mini quiche, so I'm just using a cookie cutter and cutting small circles out of the pie crust. Now if you're making a regular size quiche, so just take a 9-inch pie dish and arrange this pie crust at the bottom of the pie dish. I am doing the same with this mini ones. I'm just picking up the small circles and just fixing it into the cavities of a muffin tin. Now we need to add some veggies. Today I'm using some chopped up bell pepper and onion. As I already mentioned, you can use any other vegetables of your choice, and just make sure you're not using tomatoes because they will release their water. So I am adding all the vegetables there, and now I'm adding some shredded cheddar cheese. You can use Swiss, and a main ingredient is Parmesan cheese. I'm adding some Parmesan cheese in there too, which I forgot to show you. I'll do it later. Now I am pouring the mixed custard, which I pre-mix in front of you guys, and just fill it till the top of the pie crust edge. And now I'm putting it in the oven, which is already preheated on 375 degrees, and bake it for 20 minutes or until the crust edges are brown and the eggs are completely settled. So when it comes out from the oven, just leave it on the counter for a couple of minutes. Then with the help of spatula or with a butter knife, just loosen the edges and then take it out and transfer it onto your platter, and your mini quiche is ready to serve. As you can see, it's so simple and quick recipe, and my family thoroughly enjoyed it with a side of some tater tarts and orange juice for a brunch. We as a family love breakfast or brunches over the weekend, and this quiche was perfect for us. That outside crunchy crust with the warm gooey custard, it gives us that comfort food feeling. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.